Just as mechanical keyboards are increasingly popular for their precision, comfort, and durability among gamers and typists, budget-friendly road bikes are becoming the go-to choice for commuters, fitness enthusiasts, and new riders. With rising demand, shoppers now look for the best combination.
List number 1. The Wise Road Bike is designed for riders who want affordability and efficiency in a sleek package. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, this 700c road bike is perfect for commuting, urban riding, or fitness training. Its streamlined geometry offers an aerodynamic posture while remaining comfortable enough for daily use. Equipped with 21-speed gear shifting, the Wise provides versatility for tackling flat roads, inclines, and long rides with ease. The disc brakes add extra safety, delivering reliable stopping power even in wet conditions, a rare feature for bikes in this budget range. The quick-release front wheel also makes storage and transport more convenient. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. The bike features an ergonomic seat and handlebars designed to reduce fatigue on longer rides. Its smooth-rolling 700c wheels ensure stability and speed, ideal for city commutes or weekend rides. While assembly can take some effort, once tuned, this bike offers performance that rivals more expensive models. Verdict: a strong all-rounder under $500, ideal for commuters and casual riders looking for a balance of speed, safety, and comfort.
List number 2. While not a bike itself, the Briskmore bike mirrors are an essential budget-friendly accessory that improves safety on the road. Many affordable bikes under $500 lack built-in visibility aids, making these mirrors an excellent companion to any commuter or entry-level road bike. The mirrors are made from high-quality shatterproof acrylic, giving a clear and wide field of view. Designed to fit handlebar ends, they provide riders with rearward visibility without having to turn their heads, essential for busy traffic or group rides. The adjustable 360-degree rotation allows riders to set their preferred angle, while the lightweight design ensures they don't interfere with handling or add bulk. Installation is simple, requiring only a few minutes with basic tools. For new riders or those commuting in high-traffic areas, these mirrors are a smart addition that significantly enhances safety without breaking the budget. Verdict: a low-cost but highly effective upgrade for under $500 road bikes, offering peace of mind and improved road awareness.
List number 3. The Viribus Hybrid Bike strikes an impressive balance between road bike agility and comfort-focused hybrid design. With its 28-inch wheels and lightweight frame, it's a versatile choice for city commutes, casual weekend rides, or light fitness cycling. Equipped with a 7-speed drivetrain, this bike is built for flat roads and light inclines. While it doesn't offer the same gear range as pricier models, it's more than enough for beginners or budget-conscious riders. The upright riding posture enhances comfort, reducing strain on the back and shoulders, a big plus for daily commuters. Durability is another highlight, with strong steel components and reliable rim brakes that deliver consistent stopping power. The tires are designed for mixed surfaces, making the bike suitable for both paved roads and light gravel paths. Assembly is straightforward, and the bike comes with clear instructions. While advanced cyclists may find the gearing limited, beginners will appreciate the simplicity and reliability. Verdict: a practical, entry-level hybrid road bike under $500 that's perfect for commuters and casual riders who want a comfortable and versatile option.
List number 4. When riding a road bike under $500, safety accessories can be just as important as the bike itself. The Asher Ultra Bright USB rechargeable bike light set is a must-have, ensuring visibility during early morning or late evening rides. This set includes a front headlight and rear tail light, both powered by USB rechargeable batteries. The headlight offers 4 light modes: full brightness, half brightness, slow flashing, and fast flashing, while the rear light keeps you visible to traffic behind. The lights are easy to install with tool-free silicone mounting straps that fit most bike handlebars and seat posts. Compact and lightweight, they add minimal weight but maximum safety. Battery life is solid, with several hours of illumination per charge, making them reliable for daily commuting. Being rechargeable, they also save money on replacement batteries. Verdict: an affordable, high-visibility lighting solution that pairs perfectly with budget road bikes, enhancing safety and peace of mind.
List number 5. The Highland 700C road bike is a standout option in the under $500 category, offering performance features typically found on pricier models. With its lightweight aluminum frame and 14-speed Shimano drivetrain, this bike delivers speed and efficiency for both commuting and fitness cycling. The drop handlebars allow riders to adopt an aerodynamic position, reducing wind resistance and maximizing pedaling efficiency. Paired with smooth shifting gears, the Highland adapts well to flat roads, inclines, and longer rides. Its double-wall alloy rims and narrow 700C tires provide stability at higher speeds while maintaining durability. Braking is handled by reliable dual-caliper brakes, ensuring safe and controlled stops. Weighing less than many steel-frame competitors, the Highland is easier to carry upstairs or load into vehicles. Assembly is relatively straightforward, though tuning the gears may require some extra time or professional assistance. Verdict: a true budget road bike contender, offering sporty performance and lightweight design under $500. Great for commuters and beginner cyclists alike.